So I'm just going through some gear out here in my shed, and this whole tub right here, which is probably like a 20-gallon tub, I don't know, it's completely full of cook sets that I've used over the years, but I'm not using now. There's literally just dozens of things in here. Titanium, Sea to Summit cook set, Stanley, just MSR, all kinds of gear that I've tried over the years and for whatever reason I'm not using anymore. So this is just stuff that I just don't use anymore. Some of it you can see I barely used it at all. Other stuff pretty heavily used. Like this little Stanley cup here, definitely got some use out of it. But anyways, I figure with all this gear, there's a lot of experience there from using out in the field and why I don't use it anymore and why I'm using what I do use now. So subscribe or whatever and I'll start making videos to explain why. Thanks for watching.